It's so cheesy. Literally cheesy. Not the cheesy pickup lines. But I think mac and cheese is a little bit more cheesy, but should be cheesier.
Orange, naganda mac and cheese.
We'll make it rice.
Ha?
The mashed potatoes are so good.
Damn.
Okay.
What's that? Yeah, that's it.
Hi Baba, kami ni Kuya, nanood-nood lang siya, naka-milk tea. Ako, kape.
Let's
Si
wait.
Sam, ayun, may Alfredo. May steak. Ubus na yung mash. Level. Yan na, kakain na siya. Hindi nga siya makakain kasi wala ka. Bobby.
Corno.
Sam pala ay meron pang garlic bread.
He ordered a corn dog.
Para maghapon na tatali kumain.
I didn't eat the ranch.
Ito, kinain niya si Kuya. Ito.
Can I have that?
Yan lang.
Ew,
Corn
this
dog,
is mayonnaise.
saka pasta. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Careful anak. At Tita Camille, may soup pa rin pala siya. Nalimutan ko.
Let me want this time.
Okay.
Ooh.
Avocado toast.
Ooh. With the edge.
Ito na lang ang natira, Tita. Ka ba? Magpapasalubong sana sa'yo. Pero palagay ko buto na lang.